Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can hide Windows partition using command prompt. You can hide Windows partition using the disk management utility as well. But sometimes what happens is for some partitions, for example, partitions with special functionality and special flags attached to it, you cannot, like, all the options in the context menu are not available. For example, over here I want to hide this local disk E, which seems to be a FAT32 partition, and this is the result of a dual boot system. Like I have Windows 10 and OpenSUSE Linux running on my system, and OpenSUSE required kind of a boot partition that should have a boot EFI flag on it, and like FAT32 formatting system. So Windows recognizes this partition as a valid partition, but you cannot use this partition as data drive because it is boot EFI. It is also having a letter attached to it, so theoretically you should be able to remove that letter in order to hide that partition, but you are not able to do that because, as you can see over here, I don't have any options available, unlike the other drives. So what you can do in that case is you can go to command prompt and run it as administrator, and then you can run diskpart utility, and what you want to do is, first of all, you have to list volumes. So you can see over here I want to hide volume 3. Then you have to select volume 3, and then what you have to do is remove letter and then the drive letter of the partition that you want to hide. So let's say E, and you can see over here that partition is hidden now. This doesn't mean that the partition is not available for use. My OpenSUSE Linux will always be able to access that partition, but it's just that Windows won't show it because the drive letter is not assigned to that partition. So this is how you can hide it. In order to again like show it, what you have to do is type assign letter and the letter you want to assign, and you can see that partition is available. But in my case I don't want to show it because I'm not using that partition in Windows. It is purely for booting in OpenSUSE Linux. So I will again hide it. So I'll say remove letter E, and that partition is hidden now. So this is how you can hide and show partitions in Windows. Thank you.